Today we are going to learn the stem stitch. This is good for obviously stems, outlines, anything like that. Now there are two ways to do the stem stitch, at least there are for me. The first way is you'll go down a little bit of ways, hold the loop in your fingers so it doesn't go all the way through. And then you'll poke your needle through the line, whatever it is that you're tracing. And then you pull all the way through. And you can just keep going the same way. The nice thing about this one is you don't waste a lot of thread. So there's not a lot on the back of your piece, which keeps things nice and neat. So this is the first way to do a stem stitch. The second way to do the stem stitch is the way I actually prefer to do it. Now this does waste more yarn, thread, whatever. But I feel like the curve of the thread looks better. You can be the judge of that. So what I do is I'll pull it all the way through, and then it's kind of like a back stitch, actually. So I'll actually go and move this little bit of thread aside and then pull it through. And then I'll go a little farther, go back, move it aside, pull it through. Now, when you do it this way, you have to make sure that you're doing it consistently on the same side. And what I mean by that is it would look weird if you suddenly went on this side of the thread and pulled it through. Now it looks uneven and doesn't look as nice. And in case you're curious, I'll show you the back. So this is the first side that we did. You can see that there's hardly any thread on the back, which is really nice if you're running out, have a limited amount, or just like saving thread. This is the second way, the way that I do it. You can see uses a lot, looks very similar to the back stitch, but I like the curve of it a little bit more.
Again, off again, let me like oxygen. You